Alright, we're back. We're back at the Twisted Cyclone.
Turn them off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Turn on say clear, visual scanner to get clear, as gate clouds and so clear. All clear to arrive dispatch.
And like I said, we're back. We're back on the Twisted Cyclone. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the Twisted Cyclone. Wow. It's you can definitely see like the difference in the layouts. It's really cool. Like, I mean, it's definitely a fun RMC. I really like this ride. I know a lot of people give it the hate because it's pretty short, but I actually like it because it, like, compared to Wicked Cyclone and some of the older ones where it really uses the length of the original ride, this one cuts it in half and instead turns it into like all this speed out of nowhere, and I love that. Those hills over there especially are really powerful.
Push up,